In the work of Debbie Wicks, Starlight studio artist, really the prominent thing that connects her with Annie Hoover are these floral knitted pieces that Debbie does that they kind of look like universes, so they have that kind of evocation as well. But the materiality of them, the fact that they're knitted, connect them very intimately with Annie Hoover, who for many years was a painter, and for many of those painting years was painting circles, which is another weird connection to these pieces, but has more recently delved very much into found materials, fabric, collage, quilting, I think in an effort to you strip away the kind of conscious mannerisms that you build up as a schooled artist, and get closer to the kind of impulsive creativity that you see here with Debbie's work.
Debbie, how long have you been here at Starlight?
How many years are here?
3.
3 years.
3 years.
Yes.
And do you always use fabric and string?
Yep.
Yeah.
So.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Mm-hmm. And I make a lot of things. Yep. Mm-hmm.
Did you know how to sew before you came to Starlight?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Huh?
Who taught you how to do that?
I sew, crocheting, I make power holder, I make anything. One of the girls is Terry Diaz. He's a left hand and I'm a left right hand at crocheting.
Crocheting.
Mm-hmm.
My grandma used to crochet a lot, so I learned how to crochet too.
Oh,
and I can show you
wow.
some of that stuff
Yep.
tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
But I didn't do it for a lot of years. It's only been like maybe the last couple years that I got back into it.
Oh, yeah.
So a lot of times you go around in a circle.
Yep.
Is that
mm-hmm.
do you do that because it's fun, or
Yeah.
or what's your thinking on that? On making it round.
I'll do it all the way around.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm making a big basket over there.
Right. I
Yeah.
saw that one, and I noticed that you put it on top of a bucket.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty clever.
There's gonna be look like a flower pot.
Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So was crocheting was the first thing that you got into doing?
Yep.
And
Mhm.
then as you've been at Starlight, you're just
And
evolving to do different things?
This the
Penguin.
pencil.
Penguin.
Yeah.
Cute.
See? A pencil. Yep.
Now, you made those, right? The
Yeah. I make this two on
is that
top.
and that is that crochet?
This crocheting.
Mm-hmm.
Right. And I put it together and sew it. I sew it. Yep. And,
Do you crochet and sew it?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Interesting. Okay.
Okay.
Anything else down here you want to show me?
Upstairs.
You want? Okay.
Okay,
Okay. I'm ready.
So, and we're all set. So we did a lot of things here, and we.
Is it down and so or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, you can go up where your Mickey Mouse is, and I'll sit with you for a
Yep.
while.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have sewing stuff with me, but I do have my crochet hook with me. Maybe I could do
Okay.
something like that. Do you? Can you? Sometimes in like books, they show patterns and how to make
Yeah.
things. Can you follow those?
And a cutter.
And the colors.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have trouble following the patterns.
Oh,
I'm better
yeah?
at just making it up,
Oh, wow.
which I think you kind of do too. You sort of make the pattern up, don't you?
Yeah.
You're pretty fast at that. I don't think I'm as fast as you.
Yeah, I told you I did this. I have fun and do this. I could say all the time.
Do you carry it around with you?
Yep.
Yeah.
I could say it fast. I got a fast hand.
Can you do it with your eyes closed?
Yeah.
I think you can. I think you can.
Can you do it blindfold?
Yeah.
You know, I mentioned that my grandma and my mom were real crafty, and they
Yeah.
always made stuff, and there was always yarn
Yeah.
and this stuff, the thread, and
Yeah.
that kind of stuff around the house.
Yeah.
And I did that, you know, as a girl, like as
Yeah.
a teenager. And then I knew I wanted to be an artist, right?
Yeah.
So when I went to art school, I decided, or I don't know how, but I made paintings, and I was like, just painting, and I kind of forgot about working with yarn or fabric.
Yeah.
It wasn't really part of my art practice.
Yeah.
And then, I don't know, let's say like 15 years went by making paintings, and
Yeah.
then I had a real big exhibit of paintings, and when I got back to my studio, I was just kind of looking around for what could I work on and what could I do, and I started making collages,
Yeah.
just like cutting
Wow.
things up, and then that evolved into making collages out of recycled materials. The part that I liked about that was using
Yeah.
the scissors. I liked using the scissors.
Oh, yeah, but
So
it's a
then I started
anything.
using fabric,
Mm-hmm.
and that's kind of how I got back into textile art.
Yeah. Oh,
So
wow.
yarn and fabric and different
Uh-huh.
recycled materials.
Oh.
But my favorite art tool is the scissors. I like cutting things up.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. And then I realized that when you cut things up, then you can put them together, and that's how the sewing, like how you're doing, I kind of got
Yeah.
interested in doing that. So now I'm kind of working on kind of bigger sculpture pieces, but still using the sewing and the weaving and even the crochet.
Are you excited to go to see Annie's stuff tomorrow?
Yep, I'm going to see her tomorrow.
Yeah. Excited to see someone else's studio
Yep.
where they work?
I'll show you my sewing, okay?
Okay.
Have you ever used a sewing machine? So
This.
these are what I'm calling trash quilts. So I take the discarded plastic, and in this case it was
Yeah.
from cereal bags. Do you eat cereal? And we cut the bags up into triangles, and I sewed them together. So they look like this, and then I sew them together on a sewing machine, and it looks like this,
Wow.
and then I sew them together.
Wow, you put it together.
Yeah.
Wow. That's cool.
Yeah, so I like the way it's see-through.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is where I mostly work. Here's the yarn I used for that little blue
like
paw holder.
that. Oh.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's,
but I've been making these
you're making an eye.
eyes.
Yep. Mm.
Yeah, and I'm gonna make a quilt out of all the eyes. So I'll put them together, you know, on a bigger piece of fabric, and I'll sew it on
Yeah.
a bigger piece of fabric.
That's cool.
Yeah, so I do that on the sewing machine, not by hand.
Yep.
I like using the sewing machine because it's faster.
That's nice too.
So Debbie, this one I just
Yeah.
put like scrap material in there. So that's just all
Yep. Yep.
stuff I was going to throw away, and then I just kept going. But it kind of looks like your
Like
forms.
mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I did it. I was talking to Carrie,
Yep.
and I did it after I went and saw your work at the Box Gallery,
Wow.
where you had it on display.
Mm-hmm.